All right, and there we are. Yeah, watching SSF SFIX, and yeah, I'll keep AMRN on watch, kind of like that one.
I might take SFIX out the gates here,
I know,
but it's coming down too far. Come on. Give me a little pop. Here we go.
All right, guys, it should be a fun morning here.
Selling pressures, it fix.
A lot of buyers hopping in there on that bid I see on SFIX.
Yeah, it's here. I did trade MU yesterday. I still have shares sitting there in MU.
I can't take SFIX right out of the gates. I don't like it. Can't do it.
I already took it.
I know. I just couldn't do it.
I just took some money there.
For a Netflix sell-off here.
Quick 20 cents. Gonna wait for SFIX to bounce back here.
Yeah, guys, paying close attention here on SFIX, seeing what happens. Getting a little bit of a doji candle, a little bit of a buyback. Wow.
NVIDIA pop. I don't know if you guys are watching that short, but there's your entry. Watch this two candle here for breaks.
And I'm gonna short SFIX right here. Oof. Small size, starter size.
AMB super weak.
Breathing in the mic super hard, just so you know. Try not to do it. NBEV getting hit right back down off that 200 moving average. SFIX still on. Oh, I'm on a 5-minute chart. That's why I'm like, what the hell? Oh.
Wow, this 350 is holding up hard, so I'm in, but I'm on starter size. Let's see if this bid gets chewed up on SFIX. Boom. Let's go, baby.
Netflix huge rip. Didn't wait for us on the dip. NVIDIA's ripping.
Take me to 34.
I'm short AMD, 3070.
Yeah, baby.
Chasing that down. 2,000 shares. That was a nice push right there. Took half. Got 1,000 shares running on AMD.
I just entered short on AMRN. Looking for this to start breaking down below the lows, and still it's kind of holding up.
Yeah, MU's huge rip here. I'm still long for my swing though.
Yikes. SFIX is dangerous.
Kind of surprised that AMRN hasn't. I might take it off.
AMD, great continuation here, guys.
I will. I took it too low and just didn't get that instant breakdown on AMRN, so I'm already out of that for right now.
I'm going to take off Stitch Fix here, just in case. I don't like this consolidation stuff.
AMD's panicking. Here's the opening price, guys. 30.48. Very careful here for a bounce. That's a very extended downward, so start closing your positions here if you haven't. Just watch, or start paying yourselves anyway. If you haven't paid yourself in AMD, you're nuts. Start paying yourself.
Some big pushes there in NBEV and IGC.
So I took my position off AMD there. 2,000 shares all closed out, $290 winner. Watching Tesla here. Be buying the pre-market breakout highs.
Yeah, wasn't following.
Stitch Fix. Holy cow, this thing. It's dangerous. The problem with Stitch Fix right now, it's sold off too much.
There's the AMD bounce. So if you guys paid yourself, if you're playing AMD with me.
I'm gonna take off AMRN. It's got stupid movement already, I think. I mean, it's okay, I guess. Zoom out and see what's going on here. It's already down a good chunk on the day from yesterday.
Watch for the first VWAP tag, not AMD. Scalp. depending on what the push looks like.
I start getting very nervous here on NBEV and IGC.
Amazon starting another red here. Might panic down. Didn't get an entry on Amazon. Didn't rip up. Not going to chase Amazon. There's Amazon. Bye-bye. Can't chase that. AMD, first VWAP tag. Anybody take that? Primo call, 30.71 tag and down. Instant 30 cents.
SFIX kind of rolling back down a little bit.
Wow.
There goes Amazon. Short play missed entry.
Oh, this thing's gonna snap. Is it gonna snap? Did I miss the proper entry? Nah.
Taking Tesla long here. I like the strength off the 9.
Wow. Facebook super dump. Nvidia super dump.
Holy AMD, man. I should have reshorted that.
Here comes NBEV coming crashing down.
Your scanner's up, Connor.
Oh, sorry. Gotta get the high day. Apologize about that.
NVIDIA testing trend. If it breaks down here, she's going to come down.
SFIS soaking the 34. Oh, it's through. I can't believe I missed that.
Oh, Tesla, ouch. She might break down. I'm going to swap on Tesla here. Let's see.
Fix.
Watch NBEV here for a little bit of a bounce trade.
Next support level at 32. Okay, so SFIX, I'm going to see if the stock gives me a chance to get in here. Perfect rejection of the 35 again.
Oh, I'm going to short Tesla at 313.74. Man, double bottom right on the 100 day though. I think it's going to snap back eventually here.
So I took a small scalp. Wow, that pushed pretty hard. Took a small scalp on wow. Kind of salted on that now. Oh, I just missed a great trade because I hopped out too early. Got a little scared on NBEV. And there goes AMRN ripping. Yeah, that short didn't pan out. Starting to short squeeze a bit.
Waiting for Tesla to come down here. Hard rejection there.
This is VTVT.
Okay, so I'm in starter size on Stitch Fix. I know I'm chasing weakness here. So 30-30s. I need this 85 to snap though. Boom. Let's go. Starter size though. Let's go. 33.50s me.
On Tesla dump. There we go. Boom. Covered some. Tesla. If it breaks down under the 100 here, another point out of it. Couple small winners here. Amazon huge dump. Nvidia. Wow. Missed my short on Nvidia. SPY's dumping through the VWAP in 50. Watch your longs here, guys. Here's the Netflix area I wanted, 381.48. If you're watching Netflix with me. You guys see what it does here?
Ooh, IGC's got
starter position long Netflix, 381.61.
See, IGC doesn't look all too bad right now.
Boom, Stitch Fix. 33.5 now.
Yeah,
I'm pay myself some. Boom, Stitch Fix. Let's go.
Amazon at opening price.
Oh, Netflix getting smoked here. I tried to get long on VTVT a little bit ago. Just couldn't get any fills on it.
Yeah, with the market dragging down. I'm still long Netflix. I took a very small starter, so I'm not too invested into it. I'm gonna actually add in on that dip. I like the trend line I got at 30.92. So added in a little bit there on Netflix. Waiting for a pop. If it doesn't make it here, we got lows yet. I got another 2 points in it. We got very tiny share size starting. I just really like the daily setup there. So there's a squeeze up. See if we can
So
get a continuation.
IGC and let's say NBEV maybe. Yeah, IGC just did a small little double top.
Okay, let's see if SFX snaps as 33 here. My main target is 32.
Wow, kind of salty about SFIX. So I'm sitting up, I'm up $597 on today with our pre-market trading and one little trade I made today.
Netflix, baby, what's up? Nice squeeze up. There she be. Taking a little bit of profit on that one, I think. Locked in.
Yeah, I'm a. Oh man, still weak, still weak.
It's a nice little bounce squeeze there. Netflix all out. Locked in.
Here comes 33, Stitch Fix. Crack. Booyah. It's $1 for my entry. Let's go. Ultimate target 32, 32.5. I like 32.5 first. Come on.
Wait for my next long entry here on Netflix. See what it does with the trend. Oh.
Okay, take it off here. Stitch Fix. Pay myself. Get out. I'm good. Reclaims 33. I'm not going to sit there and wait for it to consolidate.
Currently long Netflix 381.68.
Yeah, SYN starting to squeeze up. You can keep an eye on that. Couldn't get filled on that one either on the pullback, but it's starting to move kind of awkward for me, so I'm just not even going to risk it trading that one with the spread.
AMRN's double topping here at the 16.5. Chart's grindy and bullish, so it's more like a spike. Oh, I was about to say spike.
Yeah, NBEV and IGC keep kind of pushing and grinding higher, but we'll see. I might even consider longs if they start pushing to the upside. NBEV, that is, but IGC is starting to roll a bit.
Netflix long working out real well here.
Makes me think it's going to take NBEV down with it.
Watch recovery of 382.42 here. Netflix. It's rejecting right now, but give it a few.
Wow, Facebook took a dive. Sour, I missed that. AMRN still ripping though.
Netflix baby, running. In the money. Let's go. Squeezer.
All right, so here goes kind of the push down. Should be on both IGC and NBEV.
Got 50 shares left on Netflix. Paid myself on that pop. I'm going to see how it reacts to the 382.40s level.
I would, for those of you that can short IGC and NBEV, I'd start tuning in for a short play here. IGC looks like it's ready to drop. Unless it starts doing something really stupid, but it is setting up for a drop is what it looks like.
SFX testing the 33 against snaps. That could have been an entry. New low of day. Interesting how SFX keeps getting bought up at this 33 snap. I think institutions wants in on the long here.
Taking a starter short on NVIDIA here. Rejection of the VWAP. Just a small potential scalp here.
Oh yeah, IGC acting stupid. Yeah, that's just a stupid move there. Stupid squeeze. Volume's kind of slowing down on both of them though dramatically. So if the volume doesn't pick up, it's hard to believe that neither IGC or NBEV would even go up. They need more volume to continue upwards, and they're slowly losing that.
I am considering a long on the next dip on Stitch Fix.
Ooh, video pop. Risk is 289.60s.
Yeah.
Ooh, punk.
Give me a dip and I might take a long, ride it back up to 34 S-Fix. Let's see. My risk being 32.70s. I don't even need that.
Nice.
See if it makes higher low first.
I got out of the video. Oh my God.
Yeah, MU went on a nice rip here. Wow, this IGC is acting stupid.
Holy sh! Thanks for reminding me here, guys. I still had 600 shares on that swing call.
On MU?
Yeah.
Apple, MU?
Yeah, MU. I accumulated all yesterday at 45 area. And then it held 44.50 double bottom pre-market, so I didn't really sell off. I was just watching it, but now I'm just brought it back up. Totally forgot. Because it swings, I usually just put it in the back of my mind and check it later, but that's just stupid. I sold half.
Do I want to try a long here on S-Fix? As it's basing 33, that's teasing.
Surprise. IGC is moving upwards in the manner it is. I'm almost considering possible longs if he's grinding higher here.
Yeah, I'm taking off MU. Thanks for reminding me, guys. I'm still on Netflix here. 50 shares, chilling. That's about all right.
I guess I don't want a long S-Fix. This thing is still looking weak. I can't believe how far it's sold off, though.
Ooh.
I took some off this morning here, but
So just kind of sitting back, keeping close eyes on IGC and NBEV. There's a lot of people shorting IGC and NBEV. If they don't break down, could lead to a big short squeeze.
still on Netflix. Only 50 shares riding, but doing good. Up 3 points. Yeah, I'm all at MU. That was a sweet pair push.
Okay, so if I were to take short on S-Fix right now, we have clear risk at the 33.25 area, right? If I take it now, it's a 50-cent stop. I'll wait for a pop, and it's not going to happen. New low of day. Missed it. Hesitation.
Go Netflix. Go baby.
And IGC is really struggling here. So many people trying to smack this thing down. And I don't blame them.
Interesting that Stitch Fix bounced off 32.5 as key psychological mark.
There it goes. I missed that trade there in IGC, but nice.
Still watching
upside.
Tesla here.
So now it's coming up right to basically pre-market high levels. I'll wait for this thing to pull back, see what it wants to do.
Tesla bounced right at opening price. Still looking for.
So I hopped in long on IGC on this red candle here, anticipating this thing at least wants to maybe try for another push to the upside. We are coming right up to that pre-market resistance, but for it to break out in the manner it did, to me, it just kind of had that feel that it still wanted to try and push a little higher, maybe test $12 somewhere in that area. So I'm currently holding long. I did start breaking to the upside. I could very easily start getting pretty stupid here. It wasn't the best entry, so we'll see. See if it can hold above this previous high of days, which is 1150, which is starting to bounce on that area a little bit, getting bought back up.
NVDA is getting stupid, running up to 292 right now. Oh.
So I'm still holding long here on IGC. Boom. Yeah, there it goes. So I took it pretty high. I'm going to sell a majority there. So this took off majority of those shares because I did have a pretty bad entry. So just holding 500 shares long on IGC now at this $12 mark. If it can break $12, it should be a strong push, but
wow,
probably needs to pull back before it does that. So I'll be happy with that. That was a little bit of a risky trade there. Play it smart, take it off. Not get too greedy on it. If it goes, it goes. With the size, it doesn't, it's better not to risk that. So small little 200 win. So I'll be up $800 on the day.
All right, taking off NVIDIA there, off that long we had. Reverse over VWAP.
Wow.
$443 winner, 700 shares split. Netflix, I'm up 4 points. I'm going to take 50 shares off there, and I might look for a re-entry on Netflix. I don't like the double top.
NBEV is kind of curling pretty nicely.
I was long T-Ryan on Netflix. So far, every trade really green, really smooth day for me.
Good job.
Super smooth.
This 32.5 snaps on SVIX. Oh, it's gonna soak. It's soaking. It's soaking. I want to. Bam! It's so hard for me to chase weakness.
Look at that. Look at that massive pullback there on IGC right at $12. As I said, it's not even worth risking it to break over 12. So I just took it off. And boy, am I glad I did. All right. MBEV kind of breaking down. Still struggling to really get going. I'm going to watch both IGC here and NBEV for possible bounce trades.
AMD starting to hold trend here after its VWAP projection. Hard to call. I'm going to do some lines on AMD.
Good job, T. Ryan. $302 on the day. Fantastic work.
Beautiful news.
All right. Here, again, this IGC, she's getting weak. I mean, it would make sense for this thing to come getting smoked down, but we'll see.
Nice job, T-Ryan. That's why I took off my 4 points. Netflix there.
Such a miss on SFIX. How did I end up doing? Oh, such a miss, Connor.
I'm contemplating on getting in on chase size right now because I don't want it. It could get all the way down to 30.
OGEN penny stocks actually, trading pretty well. I'm surprised it hasn't. It'll come crashing down for sure. Chart history says it will. It will.
Got a starter long on AMD.
So many sellers on it. It's crazy volume too. I'll follow it. Keep it on watch.
I can't short Stitch Fix at this weakness, man. It just goes against my rules. FOMO.
Come on, OGEN, do not operate here.
AMD long working out here.
Oh my God, Stitch Fix. 3 chances I missed. The FOMO is so real. You have no idea. Oh my.
Yeah, I'm just, again, guys, just kind of sitting back. I'm not in any rush to trade and making money. I'm already up 800. 800? Is that what I'm up? Yeah, 800 on the day. So
That's exactly it. Haven't traded since the first trade.
So really just kind of sitting, wait until something sets up. Watching OGEN, there's a possible trade occurring. It's not a really good pullback. The only thing I'm hoping for is a potential W pattern on it. That would make me take a long on it if there's a W pattern occurring. And it's possible, but it's still a bad setup. Anybody longing right now is just buying in on consolidation. There's really nothing there yet.
Pretty much all out of all positions right now as well. Was hoping for a bigger squeeze play on AMD, but we'll see. I'm just holding AMD.
Nice little first 25 minutes here. We got Facebook. It's about to dump. On the 5-minute chart's looking good. We have resistance areas up top, 161.15. I think I want to take it.
It's not even a good setup on OG. Okay, we have IGC testing.
I'm taking it.
And starting to break through. Going to be watching this for a scalp trade here.
Okay, so I'm going to take Facebook on a small size here, risking a little bit above the VWAP. Because the 5-minute chart is really looking good. So 161.10 is my
long on OGEN. So I'm currently in long OGEN. 8,000 shares is my position. Come on, gain some legs, buddy. Gain some legs.
No. Too early, Facebook.
A lot of sellers trying to keep this OGEN trade down. We can get over 270. I think we can get a pop up closer to 280. Nice little 10-cent move there. Struggling so far.
Added a little bit into AMD here. Short or long entry. Kind of curling up here. You can look at pop, but it seems like it's failing the trend. I'm going to hold it. Risk is 30.25. Give it at least 10 cents.
Come on, OGEN. Don't do it to me, buddy.
Go on, SPY dump.
Yeah, it's stalled out, Nuke, but it's still on a curl and it's creating higher lows. So using a red trend line from opening higher low, we're still intact. But I'm going to give it some bounces at 30.25. I mean, I got a good cushion on it, so no harm, no foul.
Still holding OGEN.
Boom, Facebook. Here it goes. Let's go.
Yeah, SPY is not going to help us here on the AMD, so I think with the market rejecting VWAP there, I think I'm going to take it. Oh, there it goes.
So all out of OGEN, I kind of failed that push over the 270s when I needed it, so just took it off. 266 loss, so failed that little trend break, small little W pattern. Wasn't picture perfect, but had some opportunity there. Still following it. Still has some opportunity, but just holding off for right now.
Something's keeping Facebook up, and I don't know what the hell it is.
VTVT.
Yeah, it was a very dirty 1-minute candle on AMD there.
Oh, I can't chase VTVT.
Still closed above the trend line for long. That was a dumb candle.
So OGEN's trying to break this 270, still struggling. Kind of watching it. Higher lows.
So the AMD trade was correct. It just had a Really lame SPY candle help there.
Facebook still holding. Watching this 161 area. Every pop, it's getting hammered. So, oh, should I add?
Apple's being a monster.
Wow, NBEV just got smoked to the downside, getting crushed.
Wow, Stitch Fix, snaps 32. Oh man, new low of day. How is this thing not given a pullback candle on the 5-minute chart at least once, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like half an hour of straight sell-off on Stitch Fix. Disgusting. I can't believe it either.
AMD is just not having it today, guys. It's completely downtrend day. 9 o'clock just hit, had a big sell-off. You could look for a pop to reshort AMD. I'd watch your longs on it. I'm getting ready to load a short position on AMD.
Okay.
Nice job, Oregon, man. Tesla got real weak here, guys. If it breaks lows, scalp short Tesla.
Just
Facebook
fiddled with OGN, couldn't get any good trade there for myself, unfortunately. So just basically gave back all my gains, trying to hit a nice little win there, and just struggled to break out. That's unfortunate. Oh.
Boom, Facebook. Come on, 16.5 me.
If AMD cracks 30 here, guys, that's lights out. See, there's Tesla under lows. If you catch that, if you break the lows right there, it was a nice scalp.
16.5 me.
Looking for AMD pop here.
So watching this NBEV, it bounced right at 722. I wish I was following this instead of OG. So looks like NBEV is getting a little weak. Might try and come down here a little bit more.
Ah, Facebook, you prick. Refusing to stay down, eh? Connor, are you still recording right now?
Yep. Yeah, we're still recording.
Cool. So everybody just heard me call Facebook a prick, which it's being. Stitch Fix still going down.
So
I can't believe it. I can't.
I'm gonna watch NBEV for a bounce or a reversal here, and then if I nail this one, that's gonna be my last trade of the day. Obviously, fiddling around again. Consistency hasn't been very good on my end, so you need to understand that. Yeah, NBEV looking pretty weak here. Looks like it wants to go for another leg down. We'll see. Come on, don't squeeze. Give me more downside.
All right, AMD. Let's continue the short now.
Boom, Facebook. Ah, come on. Refusing to die. This thing's got alligator blood.
Let's go AMD. Look for a fail or high off lows. Sometimes they cracking 30 would be nuts.
So we're really hoping NBEV does not push up here. Want to see this drop more. Maybe down towards $7 would be ideal, but it's got a curl to it. Kind of looks like it wants to pop. Yeah, I'll take it. I'd wanted more, but
AMD, let's go.
I'm going to take a little bit off Facebook here because 1650 is holding really good. I don't want to bounce. Oh, right. It snaps just when I take it off. Good job, Matrix. Still holding some.
So another tiny win. Basically $4.68. So red with commission today. So we'll end it there. It could have been a good day, but again, just kind of botching trades left and right this week is what it seems. Not doing so hot. But anyways, there you guys, you have it. We're going to end the recording there. So thank you guys once again for tuning in on YouTube.
AMD.
And the next one.
AMD.